Welcome back to our channel, everyone. As we dive deeper into the holiday season, it's time to unleash our creativity and fill our homes with festive cheer. Today, we're exploring 40 DIY Christmas wreath ideas that will brighten every room in your home, no matter your style. From the classic to the quirky, there's something here for everyone. So, let's get started crafting your perfect holiday wreath. Number 1. Gingerbread wreath. First up, we have the delightful gingerbread wreath. Imagine a wreath crafted from sturdy foam or a circular base, then adorned with beautifully decorated gingerbread cookies, candy canes, and icing. Not only does it look scrumptious, but the aroma will remind everyone of holiday baking. Hang it on your front door for a sweet welcome to all your guests. Number 2. Fresh mandarin wreath. Next, let's brighten things up with a fresh mandarin wreath. This vibrant wreath combines lush greenery with pops of bright mandarin oranges. Not only does it add a cheerful touch to your decor, but the fresh citrus scent is invigorating. It's perfect for hanging in your kitchen or dining area to bring that fresh holiday vibe. Number 3. Scandi-style wreath. For those who love a modern twist, consider the Scandi-style wreath. Using simple materials like pine branches, twigs, and maybe some dried flowers, this minimalist design embodies Scandinavian elegance. Hang it on your wall or above a mantel to bring that cozy, clean aesthetic into your home. Number 4. Farmhouse kitchen wreath. Our next creation is the farmhouse kitchen wreath. Picture this, a circular wreath made from burlap, cotton stems, and perhaps some cinnamon sticks for added scent. Hang it over your kitchen range or on a cabinet door to infuse your cooking space with rustic charm and warmth. Number 5. Oversized hoop wreath. Make a bold statement with an oversized hoop wreath. This design starts with a large embroidery hoop and is filled with an abundance of greenery, flowers, or even fabric scraps for texture. It's perfect for entryways or above a fireplace, making your home feel instantly festive and welcoming. Number 6. Traditional mirror wreath. Use a circular wreath made from fresh evergreens and delicate ornaments to frame a vintage mirror. This beautiful centerpiece reflects the holiday spirit and brightens up any room, making it a stunning focal point in your home. Number 7. Bathroom window wreath. Let's not forget the bathroom. A bathroom window wreath adds a pop of holiday cheer. Choose a small wreath adorned with seasonal colors and decorations to keep it fresh and inviting, making every guest feel welcome, even in the bathroom. Number 8. Front door wreath. The front door wreath is a holiday essential. Whether you opt for a classic evergreen design or something more elaborate with ribbons and ornaments, your front door should exude the joy of the season and invite guests in with a warm welcome. Number 9. Boho-style wreaths. If you're a fan of eclectic decor, the boho-style wreath is perfect for you. Combine dried flowers, feathers, and unique embellishments to create a whimsical design. Hang it in a creative space or your living room to showcase your free-spirited style. Number 10. Supersized wreath. For those looking to make an impact, try a supersized wreath. This showstopper can be made from bold materials and bright ornaments, creating a stunning focal point in your living room or above a fireplace, ensuring your holiday decor stands out. Number 11. Kitchen range wreath. A kitchen range wreath can add a delightful touch to your culinary space. Choose a small wreath made from fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme, which not only looks beautiful but also adds a lovely scent while you cook. Number 12. Pine cone wreath. Craft a rustic pine cone wreath by collecting pine cones from your yard or a nearby park. This natural design brings the outdoors in and works perfectly as a seasonal accent in your living room or entryway. Number 13. Simple wreaths. Sometimes, less is more. Simple wreaths made from just a single type of greenery can still have a big impact. These versatile designs can suit any room or decor style effortlessly, offering a clean, elegant look. Number 14. Dried orange wreath. Brighten your space with a dried orange wreath. The vibrant citrus colors and delightful scent of dried oranges make this wreath a favorite for kitchens and dining rooms, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Number 15. Bar cart wreath. Dress up your bar cart with a festive wreath. Whether you hang a small wreath or wrap it around a bottle, this creative touch adds holiday spirit and charm to your entertaining area. Number 16. Elegant Twig Wreath. For a sophisticated touch, create an elegant twig wreath. Using thin twigs and branches, you can form a delicate design that works beautifully in a dining room or entryway, adding a natural and elegant touch to your decor. Number 17. Disco Ball Wreath. Bring some sparkle into your life with a disco ball wreath. Perfect for holiday parties, this festive design incorporates mini disco balls and shiny accents to create a lively and energetic atmosphere that's sure to impress your guests. Number 18. Picture Ledge Mini Wreath. Adorn your picture ledge with mini wreaths that blend seamlessly with your family photos and artwork. They're a charming way to add a touch of festive flair to your everyday decor. Number 19. Red Berry Wreath. The red berry wreath is a classic choice that exudes holiday warmth. The vibrant red against the green foliage creates a beautiful contrast, making it ideal for a front door or dining table centerpiece. Number 20. Christmas Bells Wreath. Add a nostalgic touch with a Christmas bells wreath. Incorporate shiny bells and ribbons to create a traditional feel, filling your home with the joyful sounds of the season. Number 21. Bar Stool Mini Wreath. Consider placing mini wreaths on your bar stools for a delightful detail that spreads holiday cheer throughout your kitchen or dining area. Number 22. Playroom Wreaths. Bring the spirit of the season into your child's play area with playroom wreaths. Use bright colors and playful elements to create wreaths that will delight young ones and add cheer to the space. Number 23. Mini Wreath Garland. Create a mini wreath garland. This whimsical decor piece adds a festive touch to mantels, staircases, or windows, showcasing several small wreaths at once for a charming effect. Number 24. Bookshelf Wreaths. Adorn your bookshelves with small wreaths to create a charming, cohesive look throughout your home. This subtle addition enhances your decor while maintaining a cozy, festive atmosphere. Number 25. Door Handle Wreath. A door handle wreath is a lovely way to add charm to your interior doors. These petite wreaths can be hung on any handle to spread cheer throughout your home. Number 26. Mini Gallery Wall Wreath. Integrate mini wreaths into your gallery wall for a unique look that combines art with nature. They add texture and interest among your favorite pieces, making your display even more special. Number 27. Fresh Cranberry Wreath. The vibrant red cranberries combined with evergreen create a stunning visual that captures the essence of the holiday season. Hang it in your kitchen or dining room for an eye-catching centerpiece. Number 28. Paper Wreath. If you're looking for a fun craft with kids, consider a paper wreath. Use colorful paper, old book pages, or festive scrapbook materials to create a unique design that can be customized to match any decor. Number 29. Repurposed Wreath. Get creative with a repurposed wreath. Take an old wreath and give it new life by adding fresh elements or painting it to match your current decor. This is a great way to recycle while still achieving that festive look. Number 30. DIY Braided Cotton Wreath. Try making a DIY braided cotton wreath for a unique touch. Use soft cotton rope, braid it together, and shape it into a circle. Add some greenery or festive decorations for a cozy, textured look that will suit any room. Number 31. Whitewood Flower Wreath. Embrace elegance with a whitewood flower wreath. Use wooden flowers painted in white or cream tones to create a soft, romantic look that's perfect for any entryway or living room during the holidays. Number 32. Faux Botanical Wreath. Consider a faux botanical wreath that remains beautiful year after year. Choose high-quality faux greenery and flowers to create a stunning, long-lasting centerpiece that you can enjoy throughout the holidays. Number 33. Inside Door Wreath. Don't forget about your interior doors. An inside door wreath can add a touch of holiday spirit to any room. Use small, colorful wreaths to bring joy into your home, brightening up spaces you may not typically decorate. Number 34. Teen Bedroom Door Wreath. Create a personalized touch for a teenager's room with a teen bedroom door wreath. Use their favorite colors and styles to create a wreath that reflects their personality, making their space feel festive and unique. Number 35. DIY Twig Wreath. Craft a simple yet stunning DIY twig wreath. Gather twigs and branches from your yard, shape them into a circular form, and secure them with twine or wire. This rustic look fits perfectly in any natural-themed decor. Number 36. DIY Yarn Wreath. Try a DIY yarn wreath for a cozy, textured design. Wrap colorful yarn around a foam base, and embellish with flowers or ornaments for a personal touch. This playful wreath is perfect for a kid's room or family area. Number 37. Mini Wreath Gift Toppers. Don't forget the presents. Create mini wreath gift toppers to elevate your gift-giving game. These small wreaths can be made from any materials you have on hand and will add a personal and festive touch to your packages. Number 38. Olive Leaf Wreath. For a more elegant design, an olive leaf wreath is a beautiful choice. This natural wreath, made from olive branches, brings a sophisticated touch that pairs well with minimalist decor. Hang it in your dining area for a chic vibe. Number 39. DIY Pipe Cleaner Wreath. Get crafty with a DIY pipe cleaner wreath. Use colorful pipe cleaners to twist and shape a fun design. This project is great for kids and adds a playful touch to any room, bringing smiles to everyone who sees it. Number 40. Chandelier Wreath. Finally, don't overlook your lighting. A chandelier wreath can add a dramatic touch to your decor. Create a small wreath to hang from your chandelier, adding holiday cheer above your dining table or living room. And there you have it, 40 DIY Christmas wreath ideas that will surely inspire you to add some festive flair to your home this holiday season. Whether you're going for something classic, modern, or quirky, we hope these ideas ignite your creativity and bring joy to your space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own wreath creations with us in the comments below. Happy crafting, and we'll see you in the next video.